Oh, oh no. Emotional trauma inside of me. Oh, it keeps on beating me inside. Emotional trauma inside, it feels like it eating me alive. I can't hear the devil whisper in me ear. Oh, me don't know to handle this. Oh, me can't cope, me lose hope. Me can't feel the devil in here. Emotional trauma, trapped through time's trap. Under enslavement, me did catch between the lines of the devil and God, without no blood clot compensation. And you tell me to change my ways, you call that input. But me dead inside, me ready for the fucking grave. Show me another hole. Doubt's a fucking insult and a underpayment to my fucking soul. Emotional trauma. Ever since a little you, two parents try and fail to raise up a bigger you, me hate to see them fall and break down. Me can't believe you're gone, Lord. Me don't know which way to take now, outed by visions. Nightmares, me hear people screaming. I walk with the devil, seems appealing. Come, me been waking up in a cold sweat, seeing people fleeing. Lord, what make the fuck you put we in a world full of pain and death? Cause we all just human beings. Oh, 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 no. Emotional trauma inside. Oh, it keeps on beating me inside. Emotional trauma inside, it feels like it eating me alive. I can't hear the devil whisper in my ear. Oh, me don't know to handle this. Oh, me can't cope, me lose hope. I can't feel the devil in there. Psychotic calm reader, addicted to prescription pills, street drugs and crime. Emotional trauma in my glass and you can't refill up. For mine, my cut ties with the Lord and the devil, me dead, the dead in dead. That skills pon who's conscious, cause it no pon for mine. Me dead so the sneaks no pon mind. Emotional trauma, shit left me twisted. I've been cursed by the life me been gifted. Me guess the devil had me number and my time was listed. This shit left my blood clot screwed inside. Shit screwed up my mind. I don't know how to feel. This shit left my mind good and I don't know how to heal. Emotional trauma inside. Oh, it keeps on beating me. Emotional trauma inside, though it feels like it eating me. I can't hear the devil whisper in me ear. Oh, me don't know to handle this. Oh, me can't cope, me lose hope. I can't feel the devil in me. Emotional trauma, me had bad laws and it did hard. Me make friends with the devil, me shadow follows me in the dark. Lord, you shoulda, Lord, you coulda shine the light. Me way me no fear to live to fight or fight to live. And you don't even give me no fight pain. Me take drugs just to release my pain, but me no saying that I the right way. Emotional trauma, all them your puffs and doors. All them your coughs and wars and me just tryna pick myself up off the floor. All them your drugs and prescriptions, this rascal pain. Shit seeping through my pores. I walking through hell, I don't know which way to go. So I'm creeping indoors, just more helpless souls. Another doomed human fleeing. I'm just a human being. I walked with a cross upon my chest, but I guess the Lord is a rebel. Now I gotta walk with the devil. Tubz a tip up, engine it then. I can't read that them pull side chicks cool on my mind. I can't cope, I lose hope. I can't feel the devil in there. Psychotic palm reader, addicted to prescription pills, street drugs and crime. Emotional trauma in my glass, so you can't refill up. emotional alarm. Shit left me twisted. I've been cursed by the life me been gifted. But guess the devil had my number and my time was listed. The shit left me blood clot screwed inside. Shit screwed up my mind. I don't know how to feel this shit.